So there is absolutely no cause for alarm. And I want to continue to reiterate that even you, as you are asking me this question, you have not practiced social distancing, which is very serious. So please practice social distancing, as you are, even this, my two beautiful sisters here, three of them. Hata hawa kwanza mnakamatana. So as long as it's just like you don't want to drop your phone, the only thing you are failing on is doing social distancing. But at Kabarak, I want to assure the nation that I personally went, inspected the hostels, inspected the halls, ensured that they have these automatic things where you put your hand and the sanitizers come around, ensure that they had many, many washing points. I would not have risked that at all. But since what happened, the people that are there will remain there. I think they'll be tested today, and they will remain there for 14 days and 11. There was a plan to have people there starting Saturday, and they were supposed to start working today on the university side. On the other side, where we had this problem, was the guest house. So some 2 people tested positive in the guest house. Up to this morning, there had been 80 people who had arrived there. They have been quarantined. I've been in touch with Dr. Amoth. They are going to be tested. They'll remain quarantined there for 14 days. Do you want to answer that question further? Or are you satisfied?
My follow-up question would be, given that there are some learning issues,
yes,
and that incident, the latest incident is happening at the learning institute, what does it take to be preparedness towards a possible reopening of learning institutions?
The government of the Republic of Kenya is very much under control of the situation because we decided with my brother CS Kagwe, after consulting the President, His Excellency the President, and we agreed that the quickest way to help our people is to use what is already there and to save the money that is available to buy the software. So we decided to use high schools and other institutions, including universities. We have since agreed that if in principle we are moving towards September, we shall disengage as those places become empty. And in my committee, they forwarded to us Dr. Ombajo, who is the chief physician for infectious diseases at Kenyatta National Hospital. We shall make sure that those institutions are thoroughly fumigated and tested the way we do in the medical practice, which means we shall dust certain areas and see whether there is anything else. So that is the least of my worry.